What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're back down here. Today we're going to get the 13 out, put some wheels on it and get it outside, give it a hell of a wash. Much deserved wash. But yeah, we're going to grab all the vehicles out of here and yeah, kind of organise things, I guess, if that's the word you're going to use. Yeah, just going to take my trailer off here so it can just stay here for the day while we go sort everything else out. The boys are here. The poor Outlander's just maxed out. Jesus. But yeah, DJ's got the trailer sorted, and yeah, we'll get into this. Fucking red ones off here, bro. Yeah, we'll give Corey these red wheels for that.
Red will make it go fast, you see.
Beautiful, beautiful. Struth. She's a bit tight in there.
Struth. Morning, mate.
Morning, mate.
Morning.
Ready for drifting?
Are you?
Fucking A. Extend it, boys.
Straight.
Yeah, you're really ready.
You're so ready, man.
Bro, I got two tables over here and an Outlander. We ready?
2 tables.
Well, hey, at least you can just set up a shop and just be spare parts for every other car. Oh, yeah, no. Come on, shit, you reckon I can sell them all? Just makes 10 grand tomorrow. Yeah. Fuck, you gonna get the car, bro? You can start parting it out. Anyone got bearings for that?
No one wants your
Anyone got
parts.
bearings? Oh. Yeah, they do. I got 2 good blocks. Yeah. What's this DeWalt shit, bro? Ferrari? If I get invoices on the mail. Right, let's go.
She looking good now, mate. Before and after.
The fuck is this kid's doing? Put it in the bin. Like, do your girls know that you've got their tools at work? Red till dead, baby. Here it is. Right there. Roger. Grunty, Jesus. Don't know what grunt is, Abel.
Wait, RB20, eh?
Behind the scenes.
I've got a Maxwell.
Wait, we need to fuck get that thumbnail, my bro.
Get those angles. It's all about them angles, baby. Yeah, hold her there, bro. That's it. You're doing a good job.
You happy with that?
You're doing perfect, mate. That's it. And thrust.
You see those cars?
Make some VTEC sounds, bro. Brum. I had a dad at the track and I had a kid at the fucking shed, eh?
This motor's better than Dawson.
Bro, I was just thinking, I was just watching you sit there, I was like, bro, we could Flintstone my car.
Oh.
Push it from the back, we could be good.
Push it from the back.
Oh, you got the dollies from the back.
Yeah,
Oh, I don't know about that one, mate.
Stick them into the back.
Right, let's go. We want to. Dawson's not allowed up here, you see, because he will just jump off because it's fucking lifestyle we're living at the moment.
Yeah, no. He doesn't want to be around all these running cars, eh?
Have you got a motor up there, bro?
We've got everything else. Well, there's some shit up here.
I'm going to change the colour of my car.
Should I put the yellow one on or just 2 white ones?
Yeah, I think he's going run bearing brown. You like that? Right? Oh, run bearing brown, eh?
Welcome back to another shit video, guys.
Track day, bro.
Oh, yeah. Just,
No, I got one, you can start there.
Yep. So, yeah. You having fun up there, mate?
Oh, yeah. I'm just contemplating life.
Contemplating life, yeah. It's been a bit of a moment. Just don't do it.
It's not worth it, bro.
We've got other things to do, mate.
Yeah.
You got bearings to run, bro?
Yes,
That's
sir.
right. Alright. Come on, bro.
I'm going for a run. Where are you running to? Running a bearing.
Ouch, bro.
Sorry, bro.
What?
You okay?
Yeah, fuck.
If you need someone to talk to, bro, we're here.
No,
We're
you're
all
not.
here.
No, you're not. I'm going home.
Ring helpline.
Go. See ya. Into the light. Go to the light. Go to the light. That's it, bro.
Fuck off, dickhead.
Oh! Oh! Ouch!
What's so aggressive?
Hey, it's a Sylvia and Skyline relationship, isn't it?
Fucking R-chassis bullshit.
Oh! Scarks, look at that Ferrari.
What's the Ferrari?
Turn the camera off, turn the camera on. Dan, video this, Dan, video that. Oh, man. Oh, fuck, bummer.
You got it? I wouldn't even hold on.
I was just thinking that. She good, mate. She good.
It got smoked up at Bay Park.
Smoked.
Just all that room down there, bro.
Stand that one up, yeah. Now we're on to
Oh, look, got his Jimmy O hat dirty. No, he's going to be depressed.
The arm of the glass.
Kick it from the inside. Ta-da!
Bingo.
Look, my mum did it. Well, she's a bit cooked.
Who had that one?
I did some of it, then Rad did the rest.
Oh, yeah.
But then like, he ran.
I was hit the wall, but I blame it on my friend.
No.
It was a 50-50.
So it's not even.
No, she's a bit.
It's hardly even bolted on. Alright, the top here. Another one?
Yeah.
Jeez, that's way harder than I thought. You can't like get a good. I need a big long handle.
Yeah, you don't want to go past it.
Slowly coming.
Fuck you, that looks beautiful, mate. Go. Oh yeah, that's. Oh yeah. Get her in there. Yes,
Oh
Dad.
fuck.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, what are you doing?
Yeah, that's as far as that one's going. What about this side?
It's up
What
to
I
you.
need to do is get in the back seat. We'll try to pop this one out.
Which one? Oh yeah.
You kind of can't. No,
Not copping it.
that is staying.
What about this one?
Which one?
This part. See how it's like, look at that, and then look at this. See the difference? Just hit. Just hit shit. Well, that actually worked really well, didn't it?
Stop, Jake.
What up, Bolt?
Stop, bro. Good food in the house.
I like your work.
I need to see how far.
Let's go by braille, bro. When it feels like it's not moving anymore,
Yeah,
you
give
got
it
there.
up. Give it up. Alright, that's okay.
Insert and hold. Don't bend the. Yeah. That's it, bro. It's all about the angle of the stance, bro. Yep, that's it. That's it. Spread them. Perfect, bro. Perfect. That's it. Look at it. That's it, Dawson. Dawson, if you just want to hold his shoulder while he's doing that, that's it, bro.
It's so close.
Oi, that's not even bad.
It's not bad at all, bro.
Hey, hey, like I bought one, boys.
Hang on, I'll put it right there. Like a pool table. Ready? Fuck, that'll do.
Yep, looks factory.
Nobody ever touched it.
Yeah, that's not bad. We'll just hammer and file that out.
Now just use your pole and whack me back just to make me look good. There you go, factory.
So DJ's in here pulling out the dash. I'm gonna just take the steering wheel off. Man, you're gonna fuck up my alignment. That's like the only issue this car's got at the moment, is a bit of a shitty alignment. Like, there's no other issues with it. Jeez, DJ, you're gonna wreck shit.
Yep.
DJ's just in here ripping shit apart. The dash is nearly out. Oi, look, you fucking broke my windscreen, you asshole. Look, that's another thing that is... Nah, don't break that yet. Or else I'll be like Dawson trying to fucking find one. That's the least of your worries. That was a stitch up, eh? I feel bad.
No, you don't.
Nah, like, but you're meant to say you feel bad, so they're like, oh, he was only kidding. I was not kidding. I hope you realise.
Yeah, no.
Right.
I'm painting my car run bearing brown.
Yeah, run bearing brown. Right, yeah, DJ, what we going on?
Pull the handbrake in.
What?
Look at it, eh?
Whoa.
Just tunnel flex, G.
Some big muscles, cuz.
You know, do you know who drove this last? It was fine until
Right.
the bro was swinging off it. That's the problem. So yeah, DJs, we've got the dash out. It's all up there.
Yeah, I don't reckon we need any of this thing.
No, I don't think so either. Only the stuff that's got the new rubber around, the new fucking cover around it. Because like all of that's just factory dash wire, isn't it? Yeah. All like
Most of it, eh?
body loom shit. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, here's me dash. It's retired now because I don't really want to run that again. I'll run something else, maybe. We'll see. See what happens. But yeah, it's nearly just a stripped rolling body, and then we can take it outside for a clean. Only needs to be a little bit.
Yeah. Go, girl. Can you push it there?
So close.
No, hold it.
Bend it some more.
No, drill it, bro.
What?
Screwdriver, bro. Push it back in your way, guy. Down there. Man.
So DJ's down here. Yeah, man. Yeah, I got nothing. Like, what the fuck? So what we're trying to do is put this stuff, see if we can run it through that car, and kind of, yeah, see, because I want to get that car, the yellow one, rewired fully, like, whereas this one's got some factory shit, and it's just, yeah, whatever. DJ can kind of go through it, label everything, and see what we can make of it.
Fingers are like chuds, eh?
Good, mate. Good, buddy. My fucking excited.
That's good. That is good.
I'm a little bit late.
It's better.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Hi guys. Let's make another Dawson's Garage video.
See what I gotta deal with.
It's on there, bro.
Hey, do you have any 9.5? Thank you.
2.
Hey?
2.
For what?
You jelly fuck.
I heard the judges were biased.
Hey.
Hey!
I'll get him out the back. Wheelchair then.
Hey, Tony. How's it going? Can I push him yourself?
So in today's headache, you have hydraulic handbrake.
It's back on. We're good. So yeah, it's about time Corey ran some fucking decent tyres. Some quality. Yep, so he's got Kenders on. A couple of Kenders for tomorrow, so that'll be good for him. Try that and see how it goes. And this car is as stripped as really possible. Just gotta, I need to get a vacuum and like vacuum all the rubber out and shit. But yeah, it's pretty good. And now once Corey's done and stuff, we can move this outside and give it a wash. Sounds good. Happy with that. Haha, whatever. I lie.
So Josh over here's lost his car keys.
Oh, don't fucking put this shit on your video.
It's not mine, it's this guy's video, bro.
I've just come back, bought some smoko, fish and chips and shit. DJ's got as far as he kind of can. And then we've got to sort out the tunnel. But yeah, we'll pretty much after we'll have a feed and then we'll pull that back, pull that outside, get it up on slips and then we can wash it. Right, so now the plan is to jack this up, put it on the dollies, move it around enough so we can get the 13 out. What are you trying to do? Oh, you're putting the other wheel nuts on? Yeah, bro. So we got all five, sorry. Oh, fuck. No, you can rattle that one and you can yank it off. It'll come off. See? Corey did that because it's DeWalt, bro. It doesn't hold shit.
It's kids' toys.
It's DeWalt.
Man, where's the big one?
The big one? Oh, I don't know. Where you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Stop! Hit the brakes! Now give it a lemmy.
Oh, hey, Craven. Can we get the...
Yeah, well, now we can pull the arse around.
Oh, hang on.
And our guy can carve it up for another year.
Yep. There's something missing out of that lower control arm because that wheel is not keen. What the fuck happened there? No, I've fucking been trying to eat. I've been trying to eat. What are you fucking about?
Oh yeah, welcome to the George Files with Mr. Maxwell. No.
You come to drive the car. You come to drive the car?
Look at those eyes. Wait, give us a smile, Josh. Give us a smile, you fucking pirate. Alright. You got the best smile here, Joshua. Just give us a smile.
Give us blue steel.
Show us them pearly white. Just the one. That way. We'll go park it by number 4 bin over there.
Maxwell stealing.
No, you're not allowed that bit. You're not allowed that bit. I'll give. Oh, you can have. I've got a whole packet of them. But no, I need that one.
I have that?
Because I need to give it to them.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll give you another bit.
give me back my toy. Give me back my toy.
Yeah, this bit. That is the bit you're allowed.
No, I don't want it.
Well, fuck you, ungrateful fuck. You have nothing then. Go away.
No, not that one, no.
Sweet, so DJ is fucking just a man on a mission. Look at him go. Honestly, look how stable it's going to be on axle stands on gravel and potholes and shit.
Who?
Yeah, what's slip?
Nick, where?
But yeah, we'll get the rattle gun, take the wheels off, and yeah, give it a fucking good go. Is it safe?
Give me earthquakes. Yeah, I don't know.
Fuck, I hate axle stands, eh?
You got Nick, where you at?
Wait, look at this guard gap. You the boys. Right, lift it. Up, no, up, oh, you fuck, bro, your ass fell out. Stop it. Fuck, there's some dribble getting spoken around here. Look at that.
Someone give me the tool.
Give me the tool. I play with this.
What mean?
Hey bro, can you slow the jacking down? You're going too slow.
What you were saying? I don't want to go further and fucking fall over.
If it falls off, it's all Dan's fault and it's fucking hilarious. Wait, you might do some damage to it. Like, it's in pristine condition.
What are you going to do? Bend it?
Yeah, what are you gonna do? Put a dent in it? Fuck.
Fuck you, round back.
Jesus.
But more. What you do?
Hang on. But do it slowly.
Take it easy.
Tell me when.
Take it easy. Hurry up. Take it easy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dan, watch what you're doing.
What?
Look at the... That's the wrong one. Oh, you're using the socket. Oh, you're using the proper thing. Should we even wash the wheels? Fuck, that'll be a treat. If we wash the wheels as well.
True.
Sweet, so we're getting there with the back. I'll wash it down properly. I've just water blasted it there. And then now we'll try and attack this rusty mess. So see how this goes. Sweet, so yeah, engine bay's pretty good compared to what it was. Cars are right. The inside's still terrible and it's wet and shit, but I'll wipe that out by hand. I think would be the easiest way. Shut up, dickhead. But yeah, guards come up all good. DJ's just going over the wheels, give them a little once over. I cleaned out the boot. It looks pretty good. And yeah, this guard just got a few stickers on it and a bit of tyre slap still, but that's like nothing compared to what it was. So yeah, we'll wash up the wheels and then put them back on, and we can pretty much get this thing back inside. Probably put some rags or something in the wet spot so it just doesn't just drip all over the floor, and we'll be good. Just down here admiring this thing. Whoo-wee. Looks quite staunch outside. So yeah, what we're going to do is load it on the trailer and then put that car inside, put the Hilux inside, and then put this trailer in the doorway and unhitch it and leave the car on it, and then just in case Stephen wants to come and grab it to do that tunnel. So yeah, fuck, it looks quite cool outside for the first time in a long time. Yeah, fucking a bit of progress, we're good.
Nice shot, guys. Nice shot. Beautiful.
Sweet, so yeah, we ran into the trailers because we're just fucking legends. But yeah, hopefully our gearbox drop setup can hold. It'll be fun. And now,
Bleeding out on the ground.
still going. Oh well. Right, let's get this one inside. Full lock, full lock. Up and over by the hoist. Sweet. Fucking looks a lot tidier and a lot easier to work on now that it's all clean and not such a mess.
Nah, bro.
Too wide. The van's not going to come around. Maybe you might have it. Yep, keep going. Just watch the front. Yeah, you're good.
No, don't go forward. Drive for main freight, bro.
Oh, mate, I do. Toll.
Top.
Any complaints? Ring up 0800 and beautiful.
Alright guys, so yeah, that's us for the day. We have got the car on the trailer, ready for Stephen to pick up. And yeah, the van is loaded, the boys are ready to go. Corey and Josh and them have already gone. And yeah, turn the lights off in here and then we can head to Taupo. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here guys. Thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot and I hope you guys are enjoying the daily content. I am trying my hardest. We're gonna have a hell of a night with the boys. And yeah, so I'm not gonna video anything more today. I'm gonna get to Taupo and then just have a good time. So yeah, thanks Dan.
Let's go Candy Mountain, Dad.
Yoo-hoo! Yes, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, so we're gonna head off to the track, stay there the night, and then we're gonna drift in tomorrow. So we'll see you guys at the track tomorrow. Alright guys, catch you later, bye.